Hi, I'm Mike O'Malley, recovering CPA. The video lessons in this course are designed to provide you a mercifully brief introduction to financial accounting in the context of small businesses. These lessons are based on my book, Financial Accounting: A Mercifully Brief Introduction. You can order the book on Amazon or on my website, www.understandaccounting.net. The book is available in hard copy as well as ebook format, and if you go to my website, you can download the first few chapters for free. The website also contains lesson pages which incorporate most of what you'll be viewing in these videos. So why a mercifully brief introduction as opposed to something more drawn out? Well, for one thing, forcing anyone to sit through a long course in financial accounting is a human rights abuse. For another reason, most of what you might be exposed to in a longer course in financial accounting has very little relevance to most real-world small businesses. Most introductory accounting courses focus very heavily on the mechanics of accounting. Much attention is given to journalizing transactions, getting the debits and credits in the right place, and compiling financial statements in the proper form. But today, even the smallest business can afford reasonably good accounting software that handles the bookkeeping mechanics adequately. What accounting software cannot do is evaluate the reliability and usefulness of the information contained in financial statements. The emphasis on mechanics usually leaves relatively little time, particularly in compressed learning formats, to question the quality and usefulness of financial statement information. These are the issues I think business owners and non-accountants most need to explore. In order to assess the usefulness and reliability of financial statement information, some knowledge of bookkeeping mechanics is required, but not to the degree included in most traditional courses. This course explains just enough of the mechanics needed to consider the usefulness and reliability of accounting information. My video courses also differ from traditional courses in another way. When traditional introductory courses discuss the uses of financial statements, the focus is almost exclusively on the positive value of the information content. Not nearly enough attention is given to the limitations of the accounting information, and the painful truth is that there are significant limits to the usefulness of financial accounting. In this course, you will get a blunt assessment of financial accounting's limitations. Click the next video lesson where we will look a little more closely at the reasons accounting is not a precise science.